Hi, welcome to my channel. Feel free to friend me on Instagram and we can talk more freely one-on-one if you want to. Look at these looky-loos. Look at these looky-loos. What you think, guys? That one back there is always shaking his head. Those ears are the bane of his existence. So we went for a walk tonight. It's Tuesday night. We went for a walk and everybody's happy and sassy and feeling good. So now I'm going to make my meals or get my stuff together for tomorrow. Look at this mess back there. Spices, spices, spices. I can't just put them away because I don't know what I want to use. I have a problem, y'all. I have a problem, but that's okay. Anyway, so for tomorrow, let's see. I've got some salsa and my 73% ground beef, and I'm taking this mixed berry yogurt tomorrow. Salsa. So Southwestern. Let's put a little marsala in there. Ooh. Let's go with some chili powder. Oh, I always forget I took that off. I think I threw it away, so I gotta watch and not like just dump the chili powder in. Maybe a little more than that. I don't want to just go and then be like. So chili powder. I'm gonna put a little, not curry, cumin. Where's cumin? Oh, I'll put some of that in there too. Ginger. Oh yeah, let's put a little ginger in there. I like ginger. It's got a fun little flavor. Okay, I'm looking for cumin. Nope, that's pumpkin pie. That's cinnamon. Come on, cumin. Where are you at? There we go. Some ground cumin. So we're going to have a nice little chili flavor tomorrow. Oh, and some smoked paprika. I think I said this before, but I can't say paprika without thinking of that Bill Cosby episode when that Raven Simone, it was like, later on after Rudy grew up a little bit, so they had to get a new little kid on the show. So Raven Simone and her friends, they changed their names, and the little girl, she said that her name was Paprika. I'm going to take another grown-up spoon tomorrow instead of my shovel. See if I can kind of, work out some old habits. So I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator, and then we got some work to do. Hang on. Before I get to that, I pulled out one of these 10-pound 73% and half. So that's a 5-pound because I took one of those one time and I cut it in half. So I cut it into 4 sections, so that's 2 sections. So that's going to be 15 pounds of 73%. And then I need to use these up too. I'm just going to mix in some of this lean ground beef with it. So I'll cook those together and that fat will sift into that and it'll be just fine. Okay, next thing. So I pulled 3 of the frozen ground beefs out. And when I do, I put in either salsa or that other thingy, that onion mushroom blend that I make. So these are all 8 ounces of 73%. I got my frozen salsa. So we're going to see if they can fit and no. So tonight we're doing this. Where's my kitchen tenderizer? Right here, buddy. So in order to make this fit, we gotta break it up a little bit. So there's one. Man, if you have a bad day at work and you're aggravated, come home and do that for a little bit. And then you'll be like, woohoo! Feeling good. Okay, so there's one. And now I'll just let that salsa defrost with the ground beef. Let's do another, because I got 3 of them, so I need to do 3 of these. These are the ones that I put. I think I put these in those plastic containers. One of these days, I'm going to hit myself, but so far so good. I try to really focus on moving my hand. And see, it just kind of breaks it all up into pieces, so it'll defrost and it'll be just good to go. Okay, one more. Uno mas. I'll Ziploc it this time. There we go. You don't have to hit it that hard because it's, you know, it's crystallized because of all the liquid that was in it. So it breaks up pretty easy. I just have to hit it hard for dramatic effect. Now, I won't season these because these are going back in the refrigerator, and those are not for tomorrow. So I don't want to season them now because who knows what I'll be like the night before I do them. But I do want to make sure I get this sealed because this is going back in the freezer. Flab it. And there we go. Now I'm going to get as much air out as possible. There we go. So these salsas will go back into my freezer, and these beefs will go into their rotation. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow at lunch, or breakfast, I mean. I got 6 days worth of yogurts left. So tomorrow will be 1, then I'll have 5 more days. So what's tomorrow? Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays. Probably Saturday and Sunday I'll have eggs. But, so what'd I say? What's it? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So, I don't know. We'll see. I may decide to go to eat the eggs, or I don't know. But I probably shouldn't. I need to make myself wait until I lose that 1 more pound. Then I can play around. But I'm just eager to get to the eggs so I can have more sustained not being hungry. Okay, I'm shutting up. Goodbye. Good morning. You know, it's funny. I've been chewing on salt and stuff somewhat and then add a little extra salt. My weight's up like 2 pounds. I mean, whatever. I'm not freaked out about it. I know what caused it. But anyway, I just thought that was kind of funny. So I was 169. This morning I'm 160 or 171. Anyway, so let's read. Too Good Greek Yogurt. Mixed berry. Let's read the lid. Saving food is good. Lick the lid. Yeah, that's what I did. Huh? Okay, so that's what I'm having for breakfast. I'm almost done with my coffee. I got this much left. It's 11:30 and I'm so hungry. I would eat an arm if it was in front of my face. Okay, I've got my... I remember I did season it because I remember I made it like chili. So I've got my 8 ounces of 73% with my salsa and my seasoning. So that's my lunch today. Hey there, it is supper time. I've got my 8 ounces of pulled pork, and I've got 1 serving of sugar-free barbecue sauce honey. And tonight I'm going to do barbecue sauce, sweet and spicy mixed with it. I like a mixture. So I'm going to zero that out. And this is 1 serving of both of these is 30 grams. Okay. This one has a little more tang to it. Come on. So my meeting tomorrow, I was going to have to go to Jefferson City, which is it's about depends on traffic. If there's traffic, it's a 4-hour trip. If it's not too much traffic, it's more like a 3.5-hour trip. So if we leave at 5:30 in the morning, we get there in 3.5 hours. If we leave at 6, we don't get there till after it's started. So, which is aggravating, but anyway, so it's canceled. We're gonna do parts of it online. Cabbage, well, tricolor coleslaw. What I'm having tonight. And this is the salad dressing, a mixture of Skinny Girl and Walden Farms, raspberry vinaigrette and honey mustard mixture. We know I like dressing, so I'm going to go on. I'm going to do it. I'll be 1 serving of each, so that'll be 4 tablespoons, y'all. Yes, I said 4 tablespoons. I am going to put just a pinch of the Greek seasoning. Just sprinkle a little bit of that on there just to give it a little bit of a flavor. And I'll come back when that's done. Hey, so my mom's church, people bring their produce when they have it. Somebody brought a butternut squash, so she got one of these for me. And then she has 4 really big turnips. So even I've got a lot of stuff. I wasn't going to do vegetables this weekend, but I sure am now. So I'll get these cooked up this weekend. So yeah, you'll see that this weekend, and you'll see me cooking all the ground beef this weekend too. So we're gonna do butternut squash. It's definitely high carb, but hey, it's free vegetable. We're doing it, and we're gonna like it. On my pulled pork tonight, I'm gonna put some of the everything bagel seasoning. I don't know why. It's just what I'm going to put. I'm going to put a little bit of these, it's the dehydrated garlic. Put a little of that on there. And I'm going to put some adobo in there. A little bit of adobo. And I'm going to put some of that garlic herb seasoning. And now, let's mix it all up. Ooh, I need to get my tea going too. Man, I have hit that age, let me tell you. So I have a lot of trouble sleeping at night. And my mom does too. But I think I've hit that menopause age where, I wake up every 2 hours every night to go to the bathroom. To urinate, just every night religiously, every 2 hours. Some nights, well, I don't know, I'll say 3 nights a week, 2 to 3 nights a week. When I wake up, my brain is like bing, ba 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 ba, and I don't have caffeine or anything after like 11 o'clock in the morning. So it has nothing to do with caffeine. I think I'm just at that menopausal age where some women have trouble sleeping. Like I said, my mom has it. She does that. And, but anyway, sometimes I take Tylenol and that helps relax my brain a little bit. But anyway, where was I? Oh, so that I'm still drinking this sleepy time tea, and I don't know if it helps or not, but it's kind of nice to have that as part of my routine at night. So I just drink the tea, and then, like I said, I pee every 2 hours. And yes, I know I should not drink after 5 or 6 o'clock or whatever, but I don't care. I ain't changing that. I like to drink my water, so I just live with it. Anyway, so here's our supper. It's our salad and our pulled pork, and that's what I'm having for supper. And I'll see you all tomorrow. And here's my macros and chronometer. Have a good night.